Hey guys, today's video we're going to go over how to rank fast on YouTube. Rank fast on YouTube. My name is William, and like I said, we're going to be going over how to rank fast on YouTube.
It's easy to see when you look at me.
All right, first things first. I'm pretty sure we have it, but let's go ahead and go in we could go into incognito, but step one, if you don't have it, we're going to go over to Phantom Buster, right? Because I want to do my research. This is how I do my research. So let's say your topic is weight loss or whatever it may be. Let's go to YouTube real quick, right? We can find the top, channels. We go weight loss exercises or something like that, right? And let's say that's your main thing. Well, you can look at the top people, same way I look at things. I go, what's the top, channels I'm competing against, right? And then the next thing I do, I look at what they're doing, what's their keywords they're going after, like this channel
Warm up.
here, how she optimized her channel, what is she doing to create engagement, what is her titles, what is her descriptions, how's she laying them out. I want to look at everything about this woman.
Up next,
I want to see everything she's doing, right? What type of thumbnails she's creating. I look at everything when it comes to YouTube almost the same way I look at Google My Business. When I look at Google My Business doing SEO, it's the same process. But then I go over here to, let's say, Phantom Buster. And Phantom Buster has this really cool tool. I'm going to show you guys. Pull off screen real quick. Go over to Phantom Buster. And I'll show you what you need to get and how to do it and how I use it and everything. Okay. It's called the YouTube Videos Extractor. Okay. You can go to Phantom Buster right here. And we're going to go over here to Phantoms. You can go to all categories. All right. I'm going to search for YouTube. The one I want is YouTube Video Extractor. I'm going to use this Phantom. Let's say I wanted this channel with all these videos. I grab the video feed URL and then I go back over to Phantom Buster. And I want to drop her video URL in here. You could do this with multiple channels. You could actually set this up on a CSV and just have multiple channels in here, and it will do this for them. Then you hit save. Then I'm going to say number of videos to scrape for channel. Let's just say 2,000, right? How many channels you want to scrape every time it launches. This is if you had an actual spreadsheet with all the top channels. You're going to hit save. You're going to hit save. And then I'm going to hit launch. Once I hit launch, it's going to run a scrape that entire channel. And then once it scrapes that entire channel, it's going to give me a list of all the videos with all the video information, how many views they have, what's the titles, everything. So I could take that information, and based off of that information, I now know which are the most popular videos, which one's got the most traction, which one's got the most comments, everything. And my goal now is to take that information and recreate and repurpose, if you will, for my own channel that same topic in my own light or in my own method. Not to clone it exactly, but basically just to take that information and go, well, this is a popular subject. These are videos I need to do it about. Once it's done running, I'm going to show it to you. It's really cool, and it will help create engagement on YouTube. It will help you rank faster. And then I'm going to show you at the end my spreadsheet you're going to need to get to follow the steps to start ranking faster and dominating your competition, whether that be on Google SEO, Google My Business SEO, YouTube SEO, any of that. If you'll follow my steps, I promise you're going to rank number one, or at least on page one of Google and on YouTube. So the results, when it comes up, are going to look like this. This gives me the video URL, the video title, the thumbnail for the video, what type of thumbnail they're using. I could literally go, okay, well, what thumbnail are they using, and all this stuff. So I could sort this. Now what I want to do is I want to go in here and sort the view count. So I go over here to data and I go sort, and I hit sort by view count, and I want the largest to smallest. So now I know that this was the most popular video on this channel, 8 best exercises to shrink stomach fat fast. So I could then turn around and say the 5 best exercises to shrink stomach fat, or the 5 best foods to shrink stomach fat, along those same subject lines. Then if I wanted to see, well, what type of thumbnail did this woman use, I'd go over here and go, okay, let me look at the thumbnail, and I could see this is the thumbnail, and I do something similar to that. You see how it's optimized and everything. Okay, next thing you're going to need, if you don't have it, and if you simply comment on this video, I will give it to you, right? Make sure to comment below and I'll give it to you. It's going to be my YouTube ranking spreadsheet. I go over how to start a local YouTube channel, how to use Wave Video Maker, how to optimize your videos, how to carpet bomb your competition, which basically means to annihilate your competition to the point where they literally can't sleep at night, or they wind up making videos about you because they can't stand it. And then how I use an embed network and press releases and CTR manipulation and comments and micro workers and likes and shares and social traffic and traffic in general to get ranked. Okay, so if you want this spreadsheet, make sure to comment below and I'll give that to you. Let me go ahead and I'm going to open up a incognito window and pull it up over here so we could show you how we do this type of stuff. So let's go to Google. So for example, this term right here, best YouTube SEO gig, I'm number 1. Let's go over some other ones. Let's say make money with SEO. We're looking for different terms. CTR manipulation course. And I'll show you some of these. Like number 1 there, CTR manipulation course, tutorial. Number 1. Let's see if we're number 1 here. I mean, these are all different things that we do, right? So, and if you follow these steps in this spreadsheet, you'll be dominating your competition, carpet bombing their ass out of existence. So, if you enjoyed this video whatsoever, just make sure to comment below and I will give you the exact SOP on how I do this with my entire spreadsheet with all 4 or 5 different steps that I use. It literally has 5 different sheets in it. So make sure to comment below and I'll get this over to you so you can start ranking fast on YouTube. If you want any more information about ranking fast on YouTube, just make sure to comment below and I'll get this spreadsheet over to you.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm still in their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents. You think you're an SEO god, but you're an SEO fraud. Guess I'm the SEO devil, shouting fuck the SEO guys. White hat SEO does